Hello everyone, I'm your host Akanksha Mishra and you are watching our YouTube channel TNB Academy. As we move closer to the year 2030, our powerful global countdown is ticking louder every single day. This countdown isn't about war or politics. It is about humanity's collective promise to fix what is broken in our world. Today's session is not about memorizing global goals or reading reports. It is about understanding the reality of the world we live in. Rising temperatures, growing inequality, food insecurity, social instability, economic unpredictability, and a deepening disconnect between people and their institutions. This journey will take you through the real issues humanity must face, the urgency of the 2030 deadline, and how a global movement for sustainability is shaping not just policies but the future of our lives. Now let's discuss why 2030 is a critical deadline. The year 2030 is not just a symbolic target. It is humanity's last major checkpoint before many of our environmental and social challenges become irreversible. Climate thresholds are dangerously close. Temperatures continue to rise, forests are vanishing, freshwater sources are shrinking, and extreme climate events are becoming frequent. Social systems are also under pressure. Unemployment is rising despite technological advancement. Mental health issues are becoming global epidemics, and living costs are becoming unbearable for families everywhere. Economies around the world are becoming fragile due to inflation, supply chain shocks, and rising debt. These issues are not isolated. They are deeply interconnected, and 2030 stands as the moment when their impact will be fully visible worldwide. Now have a look on the real enemies of humanity. The biggest threats facing humanity today are not other nations but internal weaknesses. Ignorance remains widespread. People still don't understand why the world is changing so rapidly. Indifference is even worse, as many assume someone else will fix the problems. Inequality continues to divide societies, creating unstable environments where opportunity is accessible only to a few. Misinformation spreads faster than truth, shaping beliefs and decisions with false narratives. Short-term thinking dominates leadership, with decisions made for elections rather than future generations. Overcoming these enemies is the real challenge of the 2030 countdown. Now we have the 6 pillars of a future-ready world. To meet the challenges ahead, humanity must strengthen 6 essential pillars. Pillar 1. Human well-being. A truly developed world ensures people have access to healthcare, mental health support, clean communities, stable incomes, and opportunities to grow. Human well-being is not charity, it is the foundation of a stable society. Now, Pillar 2. Education for the future. Our education systems must evolve. The world needs digital literacy, sustainability awareness, global citizenship, creativity, critical thinking, and skills for AI-driven industries. The future belongs to learners, not memorizers. Now, Pillar 3. Climate resilience and nature protection. Human survival depends on protecting our natural environment. Clean water, air, forest, soil, and biodiversity. Nature is not just beauty, it is our life support system. Now we have Pillar 4. Economic stability and innovation. The global economy must shift towards green jobs, ethical technology, transparent supply chains, and innovation that benefits society, not just profit margins. Now, Pillar 5. Justice, rights, and strong institutions. A strong society cannot exist without fairness. Justice systems must be fast and corruption-free, and institutions must earn the trust of the people through transparency and integrity. Now we have Pillar 6. Global cooperation. No nation can face climate change, pandemics, food shortages, or economic shocks alone. Humanity must think beyond borders and unite for solutions. Now let's discuss about the world today, the hard reality. Humanity is behind schedule. climate actions are too slow, and the world still heavily depends on outdated, polluting energy systems. Inequality is growing. CEO incomes multiply while workers struggle to survive. Healthcare continues to be a burden even for advanced countries, with affordability becoming a major crisis. Our food systems are unstable due to droughts, natural disasters, and fragile supply chains. Technology is advancing rapidly, but millions are being left behind due to lack of access and education. Global conflicts and geopolitical tensions are rising, reducing global cooperation at a time when it is needed the most. The purpose of these truths is not to create fear, but to create awareness, because awareness is the first step toward action. Now, the 7 mega shifts needed before 2030. To secure a sustainable future, the world must undergo 7 major transformations. Mega Shift 1: Renewable Energy Revolution. The world must rapidly transition away from fossil fuels toward clean, affordable, decentralized energy systems. Then we have Mega Shift 2: Circular Economy Transformation. Humanity must rethink how it consumes, reducing waste and treating it as a valuable resource. Then Mega Shift 3: Digital Public Systems for All. Governments must move to transparent, efficient, digital-first systems accessible to all citizens. Then we have Mega Shift 4: Inclusion and Equal Opportunity. Economic growth must benefit everyone, not just a few. Access to healthcare, finance, education, and technology must be equitable. Then Mega Shift 5: Conscious and Responsible Lifestyles. People must adopt sustainable habits in food choices, travel, consumption, and energy use. Mega Shift 6: Strong Governance and Accountability. Then we have Mega Shift 7: Global Unity and Shared Responsibility. Humanity must shift from national pride to global solidarity, recognizing that shared problems require shared solutions. Now we are going to discuss that what individuals can do before 2030. People often feel powerless in the face of global issues, but individuals hold incredible influence. The first step is awareness, understanding the world and its challenges. Daily sustainability choices matter, from saving energy to reducing waste. Supporting ethical companies helps drive responsible business behavior. Holding leaders accountable through voting and civic engagement strengthens governance. Continuously learning future skills prepares individuals for an evolving world. Using technology responsibly prevents misinformation and strengthens society. Building strong, supportive communities creates resilience at the local level. Real change always begins with personal action. Now, the great challenge and the greater hope. The 2030 countdown may sound alarming, but it is also a tremendous opportunity. Humanity has powerful tools: technology, young populations, global awareness, and the ability to innovate. We can reduce suffering, protect nature, create fairness, and build peace if we act collectively with urgency. The potential for transformation has never been greater. Now, I have a closing message for you. As the world races toward 2030, remember that this deadline is not a threat but a promise. The promise that humanity can evolve. The global challenge is not about governments alone, it is about us. The real question is not will the world change by 2030, but will we choose to change? The clock is still ticking, but the future remains in our hands. Let's make the next decade the most transformative in human history. That's all about today's session. I, Akanksha Mishra, will take a leave now, and I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, like, share, and subscribe TNV Academy for more such ISO insights.